Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the GeoG361 Lab 7. In this video, I will demonstrate the question 4. Yes, I will not demonstrate the question 3 because they are very similar with the previous one. So here I will only demonstrate the question 4 here. So first we need to copy and paste the data to the SPSS. Then we should use the ANOVA to test whether we have differences. So first we need to write down our hypothesis. So our non-hypothesis should be there is no differences. And our alternative hypothesis is there is the differences. Okay, then we go to the SPSS. So for using to use the ANOVA, we need to copy and paste them to the same column. So here I copy the first one to a new column and give it a name. Just call them as group 1. And here is group 2. Correct. And here are group 3. No, 33. Okay. Here are group 4. Okay. Then we change the variables type. For the value 1, they are scale variable. For the name, they are the nominal variables. So here. Okay. After we organize our data, we should use the analyze, compare means here, then one-way ANOVA. So we drag and drop our value column to the dependent list and drag and drop our name column to the factor. There is the one thing we need to note. We may need the Sharpie test for this one, so we need to check the box here. First we click the post hoc button. Then we need to make sure the Sharpie test is selected. Then we hit continue. And then we hit OK, just run the ANOVA and see the result. So here is the ANOVA. Let's copy and paste the ANOVA to our answer sheet first. It's not good. This is better. So here our F value is very large, and the significant value is 0, which is smaller than 0.05. So we reject our H0, our non-hypothesis. It means there is a difference between them. So if we know there is a difference between them, we should use the Sharpie test to determine which groups differ significantly. Let's go back to our SPSS. Under this ANOVA test, there is the table to show the Sharpie test. We see the table show the Sharpie test result. Let me explain the meaning of this table. So for here, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the group's name. And in the second column, we can see a lot of variables. This means which group is compared to the first column. So the first row's meaning is the comparison between group 1 and group 2. The second is the comparison between group 1 and group 7. So this column, this is the this row, this is the fourth row. This is also the group 2 compared with the group 1. Then we need to see one important column here called significance. So here we see when we compare the group 1 and the group 2, the significance value is 0.012, which is much smaller than 0.05. So it means there is a differences between group 1 and group 2. Then we check other column. But one thing we found is all the significant value are smaller than 0.05, which means they are differs from each other. So you should write your result here. They are differ with each other. Okay, that is the answer we need for the question 4.